How to delete your Quillbot account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for quillbot.com. Make sure you are signed in and now go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the account details option. Make sure you do not have any active subscriptions here and now tap on your profile icon again and in the menu that appears, tap on the Contact Us option. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be required to enter your name, email, and message. So, fill in the required details and while drafting the message, make sure to draft the message clearly with proper reason on why you want to delete your account. Now, send the message and wait for the support team to respond to you and they will later delete your account. So, this is how you can delete your Quillbot account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.